See, I will now start applying, not applying, start with the shaving process. So with one of my steam towels that I have, I'm gonna wring them right over the trash bag just in case there's any moisture that does want to come off of the towel. Wring it. Then before placing it on the client, I'm gonna check the temperature of the towel by touching my wrist, making sure it isn't too hot or too cold. So once I do that, I'm gonna be placing the towel on the face of the client. Oh, I don't know, can you tell? And I'm not gonna be covering their nose, that way they are able to breathe. And then I will be checking with the client just to see if, making sure that the towel isn't too hot for them. I'll be asking them if they're fine or whatever the case may be. But this is that's that right there, the towel on the client. Now we're not removing it until instructed to by the examiner. All right, so once that's done, I'm gonna sanitize my hands and then step back. That way the instructor knows that I'm finished with the first set. After I've been instructed to do so, I'm gonna take it off the client, put it in the soil trash bag, which is this one right here. And because it's labeled, it has SIT, sanitized, disinfected items, and then items need to be disinfected, and then trash. So once I do that, I'm gonna begin by grabbing my spatula. I'm not gonna stick my finger in, I'm just gonna be pushing up through the bag. So I don't wanna contaminate the sanitized cotton balls. I'm gonna grab my shaving gel, pour some, and put some on my wrist, close it, face it back how it's supposed to be with the a name facing forward, and dispose of the spatula in the trash. All right, once that's done, I'm gonna apply it on the client right here, the beard, the mustache on both sides. Then I'm gonna grab my straight razor and begin with the shaving. I'm gonna begin with area 1. So I'm gonna tilt them like that. Oh, that way. All right, so area 1, that's can freehand down, and then 1, just like that, and then 2, backhand, that, clean, the mustache, like that. Oh, I can't tell. The mustache, and then 4, again, close it before I move the client. I don't want to cut the client, cut myself. So 4 is going to be freehand down on the neck right here, or beneath the chin. And then 5 is going to be reverse freehand, reverse freehand right here, cutting everything. After that's done, I'm gonna sanitize my hands. Step back and everything, all right. Then the proctor's gonna tell me I'm good. After that's done, I'm gonna grab the second steam towel, do the same thing, I'm gonna wring it, just in case there's any excess water. Check the temperature. Place it over the client's face. Again, I'm not going to be covering the nose, that way they can breathe, and also making sure that the client, I'll be asking the client that if it's not too hot for them. Okay, and then once that's done, I'm gonna dispose of it, the soil part. I'm gonna grab a cotton ball. I'm pushing up, I'm not gonna be putting my finger inside the bag. I'm gonna grab the astringent. Above the trash can, I'm gonna pour some astringent, close it, and clean the client. Dispose of it in the trash. Sanitize my hands. Sanitize my hands. Step back.